हेलो एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम सीखने वाले हैं टाइप्स ऑफ एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन के बारे में। और अगर आपने इसके पहले वाला वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो ज़रूर देखिए, जिसका लिंक इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। तो आइए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं। टाइप्स ऑफ एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन। देयर आर 5 टाइप ऑफ एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन। फर्स्ट, fission, budding, fragmentation, regeneration, sporulation, and also called spore formation. First, fission. Division of parent body into two or more daughter individual which are identical to parent. Types of fission: binary fission, multiple fission, plasmatomy. In binary fission, parent body divided into two halves. Each half form an independent daughter organism. Depending upon the plane of division, there are 4 types of binary fission. Simple or irregular binary fission, example amoeba. Longitudinal binary fission, example euglena. Transverse binary fission, example paramecium. Oblique binary fission, example dinoflagellates. Now let's discuss on multiple fission. In multiple fission, parent body divided into many daughter individual, and each daughter individual forms independent daughter organism. Example amoeba and plasmodium. And next, plasmatomy. In plasmatomy, it is a special type of fission in which multinucleated protozoon divided into two or more multinucleated daughter individual. Example Pelomyxa and opalinates. Now the next asexual mode of reproduction is budding. In budding, daughter individual form from a bud or a small part arising from parent's body. Types of budding. There are 2 types of budding: budding in est and budding in animal. First, budding in est. An outgrowth develops on one side of the cell and nucleus divides mitotically. Nucleus shift into outgrowth, now called bud. Budding in est resembles genus Torula, so it is also called torulation. Second, budding in animal. There are 3 types of budding in animal: exogenous budding, endogenous budding, strobilation. In exogenous budding, it occurs outside the body of the organism. Example hydra and sponge. In endogenous budding, also called gamulation, it occurs inside the body of the organism. These are small spore-like structure formed during unfavorable condition in fresh water or marine water sponge. Consist of archaeocytes surrounded by pinacocytes and protected by spicules. Example sponge. ये हमारा गैम्यूल का एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल है, जिसमें ये जो ब्लू मार्क्स दिख रहे हैं आपको, ये स्पाइक्यूल्स हैं, ये रेड वाले आर्क्योसाइट्स हैं, एंड एक आर्क्योसाइट्स के जो वॉल दिख रही है. नाउ द थर्ड वन इज स्ट्रोबाइलेशन. इट इज़ द रिपीटेड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सिमिलर सेगमेंट बाय बडिंग, observed in Scyphistoma larva or jellyfish. Also observed in tapeworm. Scientific name of tapeworm is Taniasolium. And the third mode of asexual reproduction is fragmentation. In fragmentation, the parent body breaks into two or more pieces called fragment, and each fragment develop into new individual. Example sea anemone, Spirogyra. The fourth mode of asexual reproduction is regeneration. It is the ability to repair or renew the lost body parts in post-embryonic life of an individual. Example lizard and planaria. Now the fifth and last one mode of asexual reproduction is spore formation, also called sporulation. Spores are minute spore, single-celled, thin or thick-walled propagules. Some common structures are zoospore, which is motile, conidia, which is non-motile, chlamydospore non-motile, and sporangiospore non-motile, and oidia spore non-motile. Examples of zoospore are Chlamydomonas and Eulothrix. Conidia examples are Penicillium. Chlamydospore examples are Agaricus. Sporangiospore examples are Rhizopus and Mucor. And last Oidia एग्जाम्पल्स आर अगैरिकस अगेन। कैसा लगा ये वीडियो कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। अगर आपको इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड कोई डाउट या कोई सवाल है तो कमेंट में लिखिए। अच्छा लगा तो शेयर ज़रूर करें, लाइक करना मत भूलिए, जिससे मेरा मोटिवेशन बना रहता है। और इस तरह की अच्छी वीडियो के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन बेल को ऑल पे सेट करें। Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Study smart.